This is a professional plasma cutter. You can use for cut stainless steel, alloy steel, mild steel, copper, aluminum, and other metal materials. In addition to aluminum, mix cutting thickness is 1/2. The net weight is 19.1 lb. Compact plasma cutting machine with LED digital display and equipped with a portable handle. It is very convenient to operate and carry. This plasma cutter can adapt to switch input power of 110 volts, 220 volts and the frequency of 50/60 Hz. The plug can be used in different environments, no external conversion plug required. Built-in overheat protection, overvoltage protection, undervoltage protection and overheat protection, and lack of compressed air pressure protection. The cooling fan efficiently dissipates excess heat for improved performance and safety. Suitable for a wide range of applications including sheet metal fabrication, light industrial use, site work, automotive, ducting work, repair and maintenance services. It not only can be used in industrial and construction work, or home and DIY users, and it can fully meet the demand of professional operators.